before we go ahead, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for taking time and wanting to watch this video. You could do multiple other things, but you took out time and you chose to watch this video. So I'm so grateful to you. So today we have an interesting video for you guys. Today we are doing a yes and no questions. I know I've got multiple DMs asking, whether something is going to be a yes for them and whether something is going to be a no for them. So I thought, why not do a pick a card reading where you could have n number of questions, whether one thing is going right, one thing is going wrong, whether this will happen, that will happen. So why not just do a quick fun yes and no question, and it is going to answer you. And the fun part is you do not even have to share that questions with anybody. You can just ask it in your mind and voila, you're going to have answers for you. So this time I have something interesting for you. As usual, of course, we do the tarot and the angel card, but this time I have a surprise element. Can you guess what is it? I'll show you. Wait. We have this amazing pendulum. Is this a new device to you, or are you accustomed to this pendulum? So I'll tell you something more. This pendulum is like a compass for you. It's going to answer whether things are going right, wrong, like probably it's a yes or a no or a 50-50. And do you know what more it can do? It can heal your chakras, it can give you healing, it can find you lost objects, it can help you it can help you do your affirmations in a better way. So let's keep that for a separate video. Please comment down below and I will help you get more insight about pendulum. But just because we both are in the same sync, let's just understand very briefly how this pendulum works, so that during the reading it is easier for you to understand it. So basically I just give a pendulum a push. So basically I have programmed this pendulum, okay? We have to program this pendulum as well as ask this pendulum whether it's ready to give an answer or not. So I have done that. And also I have a name for this pendulum, which is of course secretive. So of course I have name for my pendulum. I have programmed this pendulum according to me, and I have even asked pendulum's permission whether is it ready to answer all of our questions or not. So when we say programming, what according to me is a yes. So according to me, the yes is moving in clockwise direction. Right? So what according to me is no, it's moving in anti-clockwise direction. And what according to me is 50-50, swinging it parallelly. So this is the way I have programmed my pendulum. You can program it as per your wish. So now that we all of us are in sync, let's go ahead with our reading as usual. So guys, as usual, we have 3 piles to choose from. I will have a clear shot of the pile which you can choose from, but for your better understanding, we have this amazing yellow stone for you guys in the pile 1. Then we have the crescent moon here, which is a little lighter yellow in pile 2. You can just have a quick view of this. And for the pile 3, we have this teardrop shaped green stone with us, crystal with us. So I'm just going to place a shot here so that you can have a clear understanding and a clear view of this. You can ask your yes and no question in your mind, and then whichever pile that you're drawn to, you can pick up that pile for you. So now, without wasting a lot of time, let's get started. So, hi pile 1, we are going to do an interesting video where we will do a yes and no, whether whatever question that you have asked, I'm going to answer whether it is a yes and a no, of course with the help of tarot cards, but I have with me here pendulum, which is also going to guide us. So let's begin. I'm keeping this aside and now I'm just opening up all the cards for us. So you have got the Page of Cups and you have got the 10 of Pentacles, which says that you are going to get the family support in whatever you are doing. You are also going to get help from someone that is going to help you in that process, like whatever question that you have asked for. If it is related to money, it is also saying that you are going to get support from your family with regards to the money, is also what I am getting. And also, if there is any other question with regards which is apart from the money, the cards are saying that you are going to receive help from somebody, probably somebody younger than you. Also, this person is going to bring in some good news for you, some emotional positive news for you. So overall, I see very positive outcome in this. Also, you have got the energies of Archangel Michael, which is, he is there. I am seeing that, he's probably shielding you from all the negativities. Also, he's there to, he's probably, I am just seeing that he's, shunning away all the negative vibes or the not so good energies and bringing and protecting your vibe. This is what it is coming. And this reconsider also that I'm getting it in a very positive way, that if you're reconsidering that if this is not going to happen or if this is not going to take place, then reconsider it, work towards it, don't lose hope. So this reconsider, I'm seeing it in a very positive way and not in a very negative way. I see that angels are telling you that move forward, don't just stop here. I can just say that angels are just telling you with folded hands that move forward, don't let your negative energies, outside surroundings, any negative self-talk, just move ahead with positive direction. That is what is the guidance coming from me. So now, before finally giving you my verdict, whether it is a yes or no, I'm going to do a quick pendulum check also to reconsider our option. So if it's clockwise, it's a yes. If it's anti-clockwise, it's a no. And if it's parallel, it's 50-50. So I'm going to just ask your question. So can you see it's moving in clockwise direction and also at a great speed, which means it is yes, group 1. Whatever question that you are seeking, the answer is yes. Whether you're saying, will I get a new job? Yes. Will you get married? Yes. Will you get promotion? If this is your question, the answer is yes. So the guidance here that I'm giving you is, please ask your questions positively. Don't ask, will I not get the promotion? This is not the way to ask correctly. Please frame your questions in the positive direction. So yes, group 1, this is a yes for you. I hope you liked and enjoyed this reading. Please let me know in the comment section below, how did you feel about the reading. Hello pile 2, how are you guys doing? So you've chosen this beautiful crescent moon, which it's somewhere telling me probably this is the group where you will have a lot of mood swings, or your indecisiveness is somewhat high. So probably mood swings are here and there, and that is why you're not able to make the choice correctly. But here angels and tarot cards are here to guide us, and we also have pendulum who is going to guide us. So let's begin with the reading. I'm going to place all the cards here. See how aptly I said, like, you guys will be in an indecisive mode. Here it is, the cards are guiding me that probably you are there in your mind, there is a confusion whether you should choose an option A or whether you should choose an option B, and you are equating both the options, whether which option is correct for you is what I'm getting. Also, I see this pile also is confused in some kind of investment, like where to invest money. Also, you guys are either spending a lot of money, or you are just not spending too much money. You are not in balance or sync of receiving and giving money is also what I am getting. Also, some of you are considering opportunities outside your current country. You are exploring opportunities abroad is also what I am getting. Also, I can see that some of you are asking questions regarding your career, whether you have to change your job, or whether you want to reconsider your current business, or whether there is whether do you want to open a new business, or something related to monetary benefits or career, or starting up a new hobby, or starting up a side hustle, or going global with your current thing. So this is what I am getting, these are the kind of questions I'm getting. And here also, you are contemplating whether do you want to go or not. You have still not made the decision. You are just contemplating whether things are right or wrong. You are in that current phase of mind. The guidance here is, if you are nervous, focus on service. See how the cards are linked. I'm seeing here your indecisiveness, which means you can get nervous. So what the cards are telling us here is, if you get nervous, if you have doubts, please focus on service. Let me read out to you. Put your entire intention on answering the question, how can I make the world a better place? Where I will interpret this, which means you can say that, how can your product and services, or how you as a person can help people at large. When you focus on giving, helping people without any intention, with all your pure intention, roads will automatically open for you is what I am getting. Also, the guidance here I am getting is positive, like, a year from now. So the answer is not no, guys. It is just saying that probably it's like a waiting period where, things will fall in place for you. You will figure out your own way, and probably a year from now things will fall in place perfectly for you. So I take it as a yes. But to be more reassured, to reassure you further, let's take the help of pendulum, which is going to guide you whether it's a yes or a no. So if the pendulum moves clockwise, it is a yes. If it moves anti-clockwise, it's a no. If it's parallel, swinging parallelly, that means it's a 50-50 or a maybe. So let us ask pendulum whether the question that you have asked, whichever question whether you have asked, is it a yes or no? So guys, it is swinging clockwise, and which means it's a yes. It's a very, very strong yes, much stronger than group 1 is what I am getting. It is swinging very beautifully. So whatever is your answer, whatever was your question, the answer here is yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. Please let me know in the comment section below, how did you enjoy the reading, what did you like about it, and I will see you in my next video. Hello Pile 3, how are you guys doing? So you guys have chosen this beautiful green teardrop pendant, a stone pendant. So I'm going to keep this aside, and let's dive straight into your cards. And before that, I will also be using pendulum to double check and reassure your yes and no. So it's just not tarot cards and angel cards this time, but we have our pendulum as well. So let's begin. So pile 3, you've got amazing cards. You have got a card of Ace of Wands, which means it's a new beginning. It's a new beginning in your career, in your opportunities. Showcasing your talent. You've got 3 of Pentacles, which means you are going to showcase your talent to the world. So I feel that this group is a group which is very active on social media, or it involves people who need to showcase their talent to the world. So it can be teacher, it can be a YouTuber, it can be a singer, any artist, where you have to showcase your your thing to the world. It's not like a desk job or 9-to-5 job where you are not physically facing the client. So you will probably are facing a lot of people at your work. You might be doing cooking videos, or you might be professionally a cook or a baker, or somewhere you need to show your talent is also what I am getting. Probably an architect for that matter, or an interior designer also. That is what I am getting. So it's like a new beginning, and you are very gracefully showing your talent to the world is what I am getting. The guidance here that we are getting is a past life issue. This situation has a basis on your previous lifetime. So probably, it's somewhere the guidance is related to the past life issue. So just ask your angels to help you remember, release, learn, and heal from your past experiences. So right now your question is stuck because of, like, you're not able to move forward. It's because of some past issue. So just pray to angel. Your intention matter. It's okay if you don't know any particular ritual, or if you're not doing very elongated puja ritual prayers. Just intention matters. You can just close your eyes, and with all faith, conviction, and intention, just pray to God, goddess, archangels, or whichever higher power that you believe, and just say, please resolve all my past experiences and issues, and bless me and all the people involved with positivity and wisdom. You can just say a simple prayer. And again, the guidance that we are getting is you are ready, which is also an indicator of a yes signal. So you've got very beautiful card. Work on your past life issue, and here also angels are telling you that you are ready. So of course we are halfway sure that the answer of the question that you have asked is yes. But now let's take an example. Let's take the help of pendulum, and let's see whether it's a yes or a no for you. So if the pendulum swings clockwise, it's a yes. If it swings anti-clockwise, it's a no. And if it's swinging parallelly, which means it's a maybe or a 50-50. So let's ask whether group 3, is it a yes or a no for you. So it's swinging in clockwise direction, which means it's a yes, group 3. So whatever was your question, it's a yes for you. Whether it's getting a new job, it's a yes. Whether getting a promotion, it's a yes. Whether moving to a new house, it's a yes. So it's a yes for you, group 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed the reading, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below your thoughts, like what did you resonate with the reading, and I'll see you in my next video. See you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I tried something different. So please let me know in the comment section below if you liked or resonated with the reading. Also, a lot of you guys watch my video but do not subscribe. It will mean a lot to me if you can subscribe and help my channel grow. It will mean a lot. And as usual, my parting ways, please be kind, be non-judgmental, and always love and care unconditionally. See you until my next video.